This is Vaquform, the world's first digital desktop vacuum former. Now everyone can shape and form plastic like a seasoned pro, with Vaquform's smart, efficient, and easy-to-use features, such as the exclusively designed high-performance hybrid vacuum system that delivers extremely detailed shapes and parts, a computer-controlled heater and thermal probe that monitors a plastic's temperature in real time, and a built-in library of heating profiles for various materials, so you're sure to get perfect results part after part after part. Just select the correct profile from the menu, press start, and wait for the vacuum to switch on. Once it's on, all you have to do is lower the handlebar and begin vacuum forming. With a Vaquform, you get a compact professional-grade vacuum former without a hefty price tag, allowing you to finally get that ball rolling on that business idea of yours. Or simply make things for your own personal enjoyment, whatever those things might be, whether it's one of designer toys, custom packaging for bespoke gadgets, or one-of-a-kind art pieces. By backing my project, I'll be able to produce the first batch of Vaquforms and put them in the hands of makers everywhere, helping them bring their awesome ideas to life. I'll also be able to do further research on new raw materials and develop Vaquform software even more, continuously expanding its library of heating profiles. So Vaquform actually gets better with time. Now that sounds like a pretty good investment, don't you think? For more details, feel free to look around my Kickstarter profile and make sure to visit Vaquform's official website and Facebook page. Thanks. Now let's get ready to Vaquform.
Routakit offers affordable and rugged open source CNC kits that anyone can build in a single afternoon. And now, with a CNC as reliable and powerful as Routakit, you're ready to bring your ideas to life.
Recently, there's been an influx of smaller desktop CNC machines targeting hobbyist-level enthusiasts. These machines, while great for their targeted application, fall short when it comes to serious, heavy-duty work. Designing for sturdiness and with high amounts of torque is no easy task. Yet the payoff for a machine that can handle just about anything you can throw at it is beyond words. With Routakit, we tried to tackle each individual aspect of the machine and have it meet our high standards. Over a year of working with and modifying CNCs has led to the development of Routakit, an open source CNC kit that can stand up to both the standard duty and the heavy-duty work, which we're happy to say is finally at a place we feel is worth public notice.
Routakit brings power and innovation at a great low cost. Our Routakit SD has a sizable working area of 30 by 30 inches. Made with 9-gauge mild steel plates and an all-aluminum frame, it has the rigidity and power to handle woods, plastics, and metals. The unique belt design helps prevent skipping and backlash by sporting high engagement between belt and pulley, as well as keeping the belt out of and away from debris. The ball screw used in the Z-axis drive provides high precision, high load-bearing capacity, low friction, and a pretty sweet anti-backlash nut. And since Routakit is open source, users will find strategically placed mounting points throughout the design, ready for modifications, upgrades, and whatever you want to do with it.
Of all the latest CNC machines, a CNC router remains the most versatile of the bunch. It excels at engraving, etching, and cutting of a wide range of materials. While 3D printing makes for great prototypes, a CNC's ability to work with such diverse materials means you can bring those prototypes to the next step in development. The basic function of a CNC also means you're not directly limited to using a spindle or a router. You could swap it out for a laser, plasma cutter, or even a powerful water jet nozzle. Being open source means you have access to the original files used to make each kit, so go crazy with your own modifications and upgrades. What will you make with your Routakit? Not sure what to make, or want to check out what everyone else has been making? stop by our forums for some assistance, modding ideas, or just to chat with other CNC enthusiasts. With the power of a heavy-duty Routakit, you can let your imagination run wild.
While the Routakit SD is a very capable CNC router, if you're looking for something more rugged and that can give you commercial-like performance, we've got you covered with the monstrous Routakit HD. Based off of the same design as the SD model, no job is too big or too tough for this beast. Sporting a huge 49.5 by 30 inch work area, aluminum alloy plating, wider belts, taller ball screw, steel wheels and rail on the Z-axis, and a beefed up gantry to name a few, the Routakit HD isn't just another CNC router, it's the end of your search for the CNC router.
We're very excited about throwing Routakit into full production mode, and that's why we came to Kickstarter. We need your help to bulk up on inventory so that production can move forward at a steady pace. Our ability to mass produce Routakit parts means we can pass on the savings to you guys by offering a far more affordable kit. Without this inventory, we'll be on back order for the initial movement into production, while we wait on parts as we can afford them. That's not fun for us, and definitely not fun for everyone out there waiting for their kits to arrive. Your funding on Kickstarter will fuel the transition into the next phase for Routakit.
For many, space is at a premium in their studios and shops. Higher performing CNC machines are generally limited to larger form factors. Although smaller machines exist, they lack the power and precision that many individuals need. Introducing the Routakit M series. The new Routakit M series has all the perks of a larger CNC machine in a fraction of the size. It stands a little under 2 feet in height and is an easy fit for smaller workstations. Although the Routakit M is the smallest CNC machine in our collection, it offers the same level of performance as our other models. We've worked hard to make sure that the M series does not compromise power for size. The M series is able to house heavy-duty spindles up to 3 kilowatts in power. In order to accommodate this, the entire framework of the machine is constructed out of high-strength aluminum alloy. This keeps the machine relatively light for transport while maintaining high rigidity as the machine is being used, making movements extremely precise and accurate. Using industrial-grade ball screws on all 3 axes, in conjunction with an optional reduction drive, the Routakit M can deliver ultra-fine incremental movements as small as 1/100,000th of an inch. That is over 350 times thinner than a human hair. This makes it great for adding fine detail to jewelry or etchings on circuit boards. The Routakit M series comes in 2 models, the M and the M Pro. The M Pro offers a greater cutting area and an optional rotary axis for making 3D parts. Now, whether you're new to CNC machines or you already own one, we are confident that our new Routakit M series will help take your projects to the next level.